A new capability has been added to IronCAD 2020 to allow you to create a dimension parallel to a line. For example, we have these holes that are aligned to this edge. We want to create the dimension along that line for these holes. In order to do this, we'll go ahead and create our dimension using our dimension tool. When we go point to point, our behavior in IronCAD has always been that if you hit the tab key, you get various options like horizontal, vertical, and parallel to the view. Now, if we wanted to do parallel to the line, while you're in the parallel behavior on the tab key or the right click key, move your cursor to the edge you want to be parallel to and hit tab, and it will give you a line parallel to that particular, or grad dimension parallel to that line. Now you can use existing IronCAD tools. For example, like you can right click on this dimension and insert new, and just holding your shift key down, you can snap to these points to get the other dimensions created automatically, all in relationship to that parallel line. So that is a nice behavior that has been added in IronCAD 2020 to allow you to create those dimensions parallel to a line. Enjoy.